Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, and today I want to show you guys how you can create a Game Pass GUI shop. So let's get started. First of all, go and open the Explorer by clicking View and then open the Explorer and the Properties tab. Then click the Start a GUI and click the plus and insert a screen GUI. And now inside here you can insert a frame. And now if you want this GUI to be scaled on all devices, open the size arrow here and open these two and change the offset on both to 0 and change the scale to 0.1 on both. And now you can start resizing it. Now it will be resized on all devices. Now you can change the color of it to whatever you want by choosing the background color property, and you can have a border size pixel if you want. So now I'll just create it as I want it to be. I want it to be like this. And now let's click the frame and name it shop frame. Now we can add another frame and name it button frame. So now we can move this button frame down here, and remember, change the scale of it to 0.1 and remove the offset on the size. Yeah, and then insert a text button into it. And now let's just change the scale of it to 1 on both X and Y and remove the offset, and let's change the background transparency to 1. And then turn on text scaled and let's choose the text color to be white. Now you can change the font as you want it to be. I'll choose the highway font. Then I'll change the text to shop. Oh, there we go. Now we have a shop button. Now let's just change the name of the button to shop button. So now we have a frame and a button. Very good. So now we can go ahead and edit this frame right here. Let me just make it a bit darker like this. And I'll insert a text label and we'll just put it in the middle like this. And I'll remove the border size and then change the color to white, text scaled on, and background transparency 1, and change the font to highway, and I'll change the text to Game Pass Shop. Oh, now I forgot, I have to change the scale to 0.1 and remove the offset before I start to scale to auto scaling on all devices. So let's just do that. See, now it works on iPhone 4S and the 4K, so it works on all devices now. So now we can make a text button inside the shop frame and just design it just as you want it to be like. So now just take your time, design it just how you want it to look. And now I'll change this to Game Pass 1. There we go. And then now let's change the name of it to Game Pass button. There we go. So now we have this button. So now let's make sure it's scaled. No, it's not. So let's just remove the offset on both. Scale to that 1. There we go. Very good. So now let's go ahead and check if it works. It does. So now we can go ahead and change the title to title, no, text title. So now we have a cool looking menu. Now click the shop button over here and insert a local script. Now let's make a few variables. Local button equals script dot parent. Okay. Local shop frame equals to script dot parent dot parent dot parent dot shop frame. Local clicked equals to false because it hasn't been clicked. So now just go here, click there, and now click the shop frame and turn visible off. So now let's do button dot mouse button one click connect function. So now we made a function that will happen once the button has been clicked. If clicked equals false, then shop frame dot visible equals true, else shop frame dot visible equals false. Then do clicked equals true right here, and here do clicked, oops, clicked equals false. Now let's go ahead and check if it works. Yeah, so now the Gamepass Shop works. So now let's make the Game Pass button work. So let's just make it visible again, and let's insert a local script into the Game Pass button. Let's do local Game Pass ID local player equals to game.players.local player local button equals to script. Oh, my keyboard is very bad. Script.parent. So let's make another function. Mouse button one click connect function, and then let's make another variable. Local marketplace service equals to game get service marketplace service. Let's do MPS, then prompt Game Pass purchase player Game Pass ID. So here we are, guys. We need to go to the website and we need to have a Game Pass. So let's go ahead and click on the store and click on Add Pass. Now you are right here and you can choose file because you need an image. So now I have a image. So now I'll change the name of the Game Pass to Test Game Pass, and I can also make a description. Test. Now I can click on preview and it looks good. So now I'll just click verify upload. Now I can click on this cogwheel and click configure. Now I'll click on sales and I'll turn item for sale on, and I'll make it cost 100 Robux. Now you can see over here, guys, so this is the search bar and you can see a few numbers. So just double click the numbers and just copy them. Now just do local Game Pass ID and then copy it in. I mean paste it in by clicking Control V or Command V. So now we can go ahead and make it invisible again, and let's just check it out if it works. Oh yeah, oops guys, I just made a small error. You have to make it's a Game Pass ID and then a player. So the Game Pass ID player. There we go. So it means marketplace service will prompt a Game Pass purchase to the player, and the ID is the Game Pass ID, which is this one. So now I'll click shop. For some reason it doesn't work. Okay guys, just copy the ID and then let's just try this again. Do player, but then paste the ID instead and remove the Game Pass variable. I think that might work better I mean. So let's just check if that works. Yeah, but it says you already own this item. Your account has not been charged. And that's because you automatically own your own Game Pass. So let's just go to the Game Pass and I'll just remove it from my inventory again. And yeah, guys, it works. And you can see it down here. This is a test purchase. Your account will not be charged. Then you can just click buy now because it's just testing. It's just in Roblox Studio, but don't buy it in your game. That will actually work, and that's gonna be a huge waste. So now just click buy now. And yeah, I just bought it. Very good, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have anything you want me to make, or if you have any errors, just tell me in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. While you guys are here, I just want to show you my new Roblox 2D platformer game. It's currently in early access, and if you guys want to test it out and give me feedback, I'll leave the link in the description below. Thank you so much.